everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome to day 21. Okay guys, I was going to go live today, but you can hear my voice. If I just go live, I would never be able to do something for 10 minutes because you know how much I love you all. So I just decided to just do a quick unboxing, and Raven and I will come back this week and, you know, possibly do a look with what we have in day day 11. Oh my gosh, 21, day 21, Jesus Lord. Day 11 is so gone. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into day 21. Yes. Okay, so day 21, so special, big box. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? It's a full bottle. Soak Off Builder Gel. Oh wow, it's called Pearl White Builder Gel, and OMG, wow. Okay, we have to swatch, so let's just put box 21 there. We'll take out one because that's base coat, and the only reason why I'm doing the base coat is because when you're using Builder Gel, it's really nice if you can have a nice base and your gel will literally just glide. Yes. So I have, oh, hold on. I have Bella with me today, and hold on. I'm just gonna put some base coat on her, and we are gonna swatch that color. Oh wow. Ooh. The fluff is real. So as I said, you need the base coat. You do. Because what it does as well is it gives the gel something to hug onto and something to glide onto. So I've never tried Madam Glam Builder Gel, so I'm so excited to open this bottle and swatch this now. Oh my goodness. So anyway, how are you all doing? How's the family? How are your loved ones? And how's Christmas shopping going? I'm sure everybody is just on the go. I have to go out tomorrow, some bits and bobs that we need, but yeah, I just want to do it really quickly. Kids, well, my other son finally broke up today, so that's everything. Okay, let's try and open this. So I am going to show you what this pearl white looks like. Ooh. So look at that. They weren't lying. It is very pearly. Ooh, yes. Okay. Now, I'm just going to give the bottle a nice shake because it feels a little cold. It has been cold though. Semi-permanent Soak Off Builder Gel. Oh my gosh. And this is really fitting as well for Christmas. So there is the finger. And we are going to test out this Builder Gel in a bottle. And just, oops, that's not very nice. My hand slipped on the table. Now it is quite cold, so I know that's the reason why, you know, it's like this, but it's still, to me, it glides on really nice. And that's what I mean about the base coat. So some people will just do a slip layer. Now we're going to see how opaque this is because I know it's on a clear nail, but you can see the tip was a natural color underneath. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just bringing that down, and it was oh so simple. I nearly forgot this was Builder Gel. It could easily be nail varnish, nail polish. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this pearl white is a stunning color. Oh my gosh, very Christmas, very New Year, just very, you know, very cozy. And, you know, could you imagine this color with a bit of chrome? OMG. Okay, so I'm just going to turn the hand around just for a few seconds. And this just helps the gel to self-level. Okay, so this is after 2 coats. If maybe I was doing it on my own phalange, maybe I might do 3, because you can see that line a little bit. Oh my gosh, this cough does not want to stop. So I'm just lightly just buffing it. I did wipe that sticky layer off. It was really easy to use, I will say that. And first impressions of the Builder Gel in a bottle from Madam Glam, awesome, 10 out of 10. And don't forget guys, you can use the 30% discount codes going across the screen to save yourself 30% when you choose to shop at madamglam.com. Now I know lots of my, well, most of my content has been Madam Glam, and that's simply because I had the calendar to do, and I've been saying to you that I've had a lot of changes, and I promise in the new year we're going to sit down and talk about some of these changes, because honestly I think it's good to talk, it's good to share experiences. You really never know. Okay, so that's just a light buff, and now I can use the no wipe top coat to just bring her back to life, so to speak. Oh yes, look how stunning that is. Pearl white. Oh, I think this color would look so stunning with chrome, but even on its own, she's beautiful. I can't wait to do a look. I mean, this is in a bottle, so I think to preserve the uses, I would definitely use in a full cover tip. This was a full cover tip, and you know, it just adds the strength that you will need if you are heavy-handed. Awesome. Okay, so while she's in the lamp, we are going to put this pearl white Builder Gel in a bottle back in. Oh, how stunning. Just going to go back into day 21. I'm just going to put this stuff away. We're going to put that back in. I do hope that you are able to join me tomorrow for day 22. OMG, we are getting closer and closer, and honestly I feel like unboxing this advent calendar has really made December fly. I mean, in a good way, it's been exciting. It's really marked every day for me. So again, thank you so much, Raven, for bringing this calendar to our attention, because even though we work with Madam Glam, but still I thank you. Oops, okay, I just touched the nail stand and the nail went flying. So let's have a little spy. Where is 22? Okay, so 22 is over here. Now we know these size boxes could mean anything. You know, you just never know. Madam Glam are so sneaky, but in a good way. So I do hope you'll join me tomorrow for day 22, and we'll see what we have in there. And also, as I said, please look out for Raven and myself. We will definitely be doing a look with this pearl white builder gel. How stunning is she? Like, let's get her right up there in the light. This will even look good if you did a French with the reflective gels. So if you didn't want to do 2 coats, you could, you know, put some rhinestones there. You could do something, because I think it's still fine if it's just for strength. Okay, so day 21, this busted up calendar. Day 21 is right here. And we see it's a pink. Ooh, this is like a fruity pink. Oh my Lord. I mean, I think they're really smart with the way that they've packaged these. I love these candles. OMG. Okay, this is what we're going to do. I have one lit, but I'm going to light this one. And I just want to smell it. Yes. So guys, as I said, thank you so much for joining me today, unboxing day 21. I do hope you can join me tomorrow when we unbox day 22. This is what we got. How freaking stunning. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. Love that color. And I absolutely cannot wait to use it. So yes. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. I'm gone. Mama Does Nails is out. Please don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff. And yeah, keep your bells on. Catch me in the next one. Bye.